In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Temu app on your Chromebook or Windows device easily. We understand how daunting it can be trying to access your favorite apps on different platforms, so this guide aims to simplify the process for you. First, let's address an important detail. While Temu isn't natively available on Windows as a standalone app, there are a few creative ways to get around this limitation. One method involves checking the Microsoft Store to see if it's offered there, but if you can't find it, don't worry. There's still a reliable workaround using an Android emulator. For our purposes today, we'll be using BlueStacks, a popular emulator that creates an Android-like environment right on your Windows computer. To begin with, open your web browser and go to the BlueStacks website. Download the application and install it on your device. Remember, BlueStacks is a third-party software, so ensure your device meets the required specifications for seamless operation. Once BlueStacks is up and running, navigate to the home screen where you'll find the Play Store icon. Clicking on this will require you to log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, take a moment to set it up. It's necessary for downloading apps. Enter your credentials and now you're all set to explore the Google Play Store just as you would on any Android device. In the search bar within the Play Store, type Temu and hit enter. Once you locate the app, click on install and wait for the process to complete. This shouldn't take too long depending on your internet connection speed. After installation, you'll be able to open the app directly within BlueStacks and enjoy all its features on your Windows computer as though you were using a smartphone. Now, if you're using a Chromebook, the process is even simpler. Launch the Google Play Store, which is pre-installed on most Chromebooks. Just like before, type Temu into the search bar and you'll find the app ready for you to download. Hit install and in moments you'll have the app on your Chromebook. This approach is straightforward given that Chromebooks natively run Android applications. In conclusion, while Temu isn't directly available for Windows, using an Android emulator like BlueStacks bridges the gap, offering you access through a simulated Android environment. For Chromebook users, downloading through the Google Play Store is a quick solution. With these steps, accessing Temu's vast marketplace becomes possible regardless of the device you use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy downloading.